You've created your ThingLink and you have your tags. Now it's time to share. There are so many ways you can share your ThingLink. I'm going to go to my ThingLink, which is right here. I'm going to open it. I'm going to see all my tags here. And I'm going to go to share. There's a few options that I like to use for myself to share. I do have a blog, so sometimes I will share the embedded code here on my blog page, and it puts the ThingLink right there, makes the ThingLink interactive right on my blog. I also like to just use the link, and I can send it out to parents with the link, or I can use the email button right here. If you use Facebook for class, parent communication, you could use Facebook to post your ThingLink. You could use Twitter. You can even share it on Pinterest. If you're a Google Plus user, you can share your ThingLink right on Google Plus. Tumblr. A lot of teachers use Edmodo, so you can share your ThingLink right on Edmodo directly from this link. This one here, if you're not familiar with, is called TAC, and it's just another resource for teachers or business people to share their ThingLink. Also, you could share your ThingLink with Facebook apps. So this puts a little application right onto your Facebook page so your users can directly interact with your ThingLink. So those are a few ways that you could share your ThingLink with others. Now, one thing I did want to talk to you too about after you've shared it, posting. Because your ThingLink account allows you to have up to 100 students in this account, you can choose to post it to different channels. Now, a channel is a way for you to stay organized in your ThingLink. So I'm going to show you that. If I go back to myself, I can see my ThingLink here, and I come up here and see channels. So I'm going to click on channels. One way you might choose to organize your channels is by subjects, or maybe you teach multiple classes and you want to organize by hour. But let's say that I want to organize mine by, I want to have a math channel. Just type in the name of the channel and create. I'm going to make another channel here, and I'm going to call it Parents. Maybe I'll create one more channel here just to give you an idea. And we're going to call this one Science. So now when I go back to my ThingLinks, and I'm going to post it, I'll see my different channels here. So if I choose to post it into the parent group, I will see that later in the future here. When I look at my channels, I'll see parents, and I can go into parents, and then that ThingLink will be in there. And any other ThingLinks I create from here on out, I can put into my different channels, and it keeps it kind of organized. So as I make more and more ThingLinks, I can have them organized by topics, subject areas, classes, whatever I decide. It's totally at your own discretion. So that is ThingLink in a nutshell. I hope you learned a lot. Why don't you go ahead and go out and try sharing your created ThingLink.